subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. What's up, friends? Some people experience some level of discomfort or stress before and or during a trip. Even if the experience is overall positive, it just happened. And on this episode of Cheddar Bombay, I, your host Richetta, will share with you some of those joys and stresses of traveling. My partner and I will be traveling soon, and I'm really excited to take you on the journey. So please go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss anything. Now, during this trip, you'll see just a bit of us stress it out. Not only did we have to take one, but we took 2 COVID tests, and we took 2 planes here. And although there was a lot of stress, we made it successfully. Can you guess where we're taking a trip to? If not, don't worry, you'll find out soon. Stick around.
This is crazy. All right, I'm gonna just wait. I don't know what to do.
Listen to what he's saying, babe. The swab and the glove. And then the other one 5 times.
Alright, go ahead and break your swab in half. There's a syringe behind you in the middle.
Alright.
So you might want to use 2 hands.
Oh!
You can grab that really quick if you can. Otherwise, we'll have to do it again.
Babe,
What?
why would you drop it and sit
I
it?
didn't mean to. I tried to
why
break
would you
it
sit there while it's falling?
because it's gone. I can't find it.
Forget it, yo. Listen.
When I looked
Please
over,
stop
it
the
wasn't
recording.
there.
Please stop the recording. Thank you.
I'll just take you off. You're welcome.
There you go, ma'am. So we're going to do the same exact thing.
Gosh.
I tried to break it and it popped
Well, once
off.
it fell, you didn't even try to pick it up. You just
Because
sit there
it
like
wasn't
this.
there to pick up. It wasn't there to pick up. What do you want to pick up? My
What's
imagination?
next? Easy stuff.
Right, so now you're going to flip the top off the bottom and drop the swab in head first. There's liquid in the bottom, so you're going to flip the top off. There, you're going to flip the top off. There's liquid in the bottom, so you just want to be careful. Just in the drop it in head first.
Close it up, I'm guessing.
Yep. Once it's all sealed, you can just throw it back into the bag. It doesn't matter where it goes. You can toss it in. Seal that up and then hang on to it for just a moment. So your results are going to get emailed to you. You're going to get an email from MediClinic because they're going to have you sign up for a program called MindShare. That's where your final results will go. If you have any questions related to the test, there's a phone number you can call on those sheets I gave you. So give them a call, tell them call CVS, and we'll be able to help you from that point. So you're going to take your bag, put it into the white box that's ahead of you, and you're all set. Y'all take care.
You said what? Yes.
No gloves this time.
All right. Okay. Ugh.
I'll order.
No. Make sure you get it in there because we can't have no inconclusive tests. 5 big spins.
These are 7.
Huh?
Yeah. I didn't get a piece of paper.
Huh? So within 24 hours or in 24 hours? Cause I leave on Wednesday.
You're gonna get it within 24 hours.
You'll get
Okay.
it.
I have 3 tests ahead of your 2, but it will be done today.
Thank you.
Okay, when do we pay or?
No, then you don't pay. Yeah, you're all set.
Thank you.
Are you sure?
I mean, I can take some money from you.
Well, because the last seat I went to CVS because I'm traveling to Hawaii. They have to take an NAAT COVID test, and CVS charged me $140.
No, we're not charging anybody. It's currently no cost. If you get anything from your insurance later on, we're not taking any money at this point. That's a transaction. It does have a cost that you go online, but right now we haven't been charging anybody. I think it's currently being subsidized.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on with CVS.
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. I think everything's fine because he said that I should get my results
Second
within
COVID test
24
done.
hours. So it's either sometime today or at the latest.
I'll get it. Excuse me? Telly?
so pretty. Look at that bird. Thank you, friends, for sticking around to the end of our home video of our crazy travel story. I really appreciate you liking the video and commenting on any part that you enjoyed. And please do subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming adventures that we'll have going on here while we're here in Honolulu, Hawaii. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun. Peace. Subscribe, please.